AI chef that cooks yummy and tasty videos that will take you from zero to hero.
What do burgers and AI systems have in common more than you think? Let's take a bite. Yummy. Just like a burger, an AI system has different layers that work together to make it function. To explain AI layers, let's start with the base, the bun that supports the whole burger. In AI, this is the base layer. Think of it as the superpowered engine that powers AI systems. It's packed with special chips called GPUs, graphic processing units. And these powerful computer chips can process tons of data at once. Companies like Nvidia, Intel, and AMD make these GPUs, which are key for building AI models. Now, let's move to the middle layer, where all the tasty stuff goes, like the meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese. In AI, these represent the different types of foundation models required for making AI systems. These models are trained on large amounts of data from the internet and other digital sources. You could build these models from scratch, which is costly and takes a lot of time and effort. But there's a much faster way. You can fine-tune or use ready-made models such as GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer for text, Diffusion Model for images, and Jukebox for music. So, how do we interact with these models? That's where the top layer of our burger comes in. In AI, this represents the applications that are built on top of the foundation models. These are the actual AI systems that we use and interact with. It includes AI systems like ChatGPT, Midjourney, VoiceMod, and many more. Alright, time for a pop quiz. Just like fries are the perfect sidekick to a burger, what might fries represent in our AI world? A. The main AI system. B. The AI assistant that helps you order your burger. And finally, extra tools and services that support AI systems. Please leave your answers in the comment section below. To summarize, AI and burgers have similar layers, from the base layer through the middle layer to the top layer, the user-facing applications. Remember, every layer is important, and how they are put together depends on the AI application you're building. I'm sure you're hungry by now for a yummy burger. Well, it's time to wrap things up here in the kitchen. You know I'm always hungry for your feedback, so don't forget to leave your answers to the quiz in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel, like, and share this tasty journey with your friends. Till I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Happy learning, and happy eating.